Good day, guys. This is Eli. This tutorial video is about to show you a new tool that we're going to be using for our phase 3 of our study. I will send this email to you guys where you can see there will be an attached PDF with instructions and their website link to register. This site is the tool we'll be using to place any tests and quizzes to help us prepare for the exam. Actually, the plan is in the month of February, March, and April, we ought to be completely done with all lectures of all textbooks. So we will be in the phase of exam preparation, and we'll be using this tool and another programs that we have in that phase. Okay, so you will receive your email with your username and your password, and also you will find there a PDF, this file, which gives you detailed instructions on how to use it. Okay, so you can also see the PDF, which tells you how to do it, or watch this video. Okay, so let's get to the site. So first of all, you will go to the site logging as a student with your username provided in that email and the password provided in such email. You will click submit, and here we will tell you your classes that you are registered for, which is the FPGE. Here you can see the on-taken quizzes, the one that you already started, and the ones that expire. So first you will go to here, on-taken, and here it gives you all the quizzes that are available. The ones you have not taken yet, the ones that you have already started taking it, and the ones you have completed. Obviously the first one will be the on-taken, and I have made this little test here just a sample. Okay, so you will click on take, and it will ask you if you want to you're about to begin the quiz, so click start quiz to proceed. Warning or advice: once you click start quiz, you cannot undo. So once you start the quiz, you start it. So you click on start, and here are instructions regarding the quiz. It will tell you how many questions it has and the total number of attempts you are allowed for this quiz. Let's say here it only has 3 questions and you can take it up to 10 times. Okay, and since this is the first time I've taken it, this is my current attempt number 1. I click on start quiz, and here is the exam. It can be multiple choice, it can be filling the blanks, it can be different format. In this case, just for the purpose to show you, I just did multiple questions. So let's say, is this question 1? I will say false. Okay. Is this question 1 or 2? I'll say it's question 2. So I'll make this one run, and this is right. If this is up and down image, which by the way, you can add images here and things like that. Okay. Yes. Then when I'm done with this, I will click next page. And here, since there are only 3 questions, it ended, but it gives me a chance to review. So let's say I'm not so sure about this question, I can go back and click here, change answer, and I can change it to whatever I want. This is true. Next page. Okay, and we're back to the results. Here obviously I will see what is incomplete, and here what's complete. Also, by the way, this is a good tool because it will prepare us to be able to take online tests on computer-based tests. So it's a good practice too. Okay, so let's say I'm okay with the questions. I've completed all of them. I click submit quiz. Okay, and that's my results. So I got 3 out of 3, 100%. Let's say if I made any mistakes here, actually, if I made one mistake or whatever mistake, I can go and click here, review this quiz. and it will show me my response, and if I had an incorrect, here will show the correct answer. Okay, so then I can go back. It will take me back to my, see, now it's not anymore as untaken, it is started, and actually it says add completed because I already finished it. One very important tool is that this site actually gives us a report manager, which tell us about the status of the students. And for example, here is where you can make the quizzes, and I will explain that later to those involved. But I wanted to show you is the report manager. See, it tells us how we're doing with the test, which obviously is very important to know the material. I mean, to know how we're doing regarding if we need to cover it more, is there something going on with that? So for example, here, there's here the test, and I will look here, click here, view, and that gives us some data. So far, 3 people has taken it. Average attendance 1. The mean of the score is 56. Lowest was 0. Highest was up to 100%. And we can see here the results. And then we can see the results per user and the attempts made. And this is very nice. It gives us analysis of the questions. So we know for each questions how many correct answers we've got and how many wrong. Obviously here we can go and just see the subject, of the chapter which we need to work on. Okay, so we also have the students' results, which is the bottom, and the question analysis. Okay, so I'm very excited with this tool. Hope you all like it. I find it very useful. I think on phase 3, once we're on review, this is really going to help us a lot, plus the software and programs that we have. So let's keep up the good work, guys, and we shall conquer. Thank you.